Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to remove your credit card from Canva, then this video is for you. You have to do is you have to go to the canva.com and simply click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Then you can find settings. Simply click on settings. After going to settings, here you can find some couple of options. Now simply click on billing, where you can find all of your subscription that you have just purchased on Canva. So if you have any subscription, so you might use your credit card or debit card. Now if you want to remove your credit card or debit card, then you can find your credit card or debit card details from here. It could be your Visa card or MasterCard. You can find the details with the account number hidden, and from here you can find all text that written here. That you have to do is, if you want to remove your you can actually find a change button, but you don't. If you find, you can find the remove button, then you can find here written like cancel all the subscription below to remove your credit card or payment method. So first you have to cancel the subscription. So here you can find the subscription. You have to simply cancel the subscription first before you can find the remove button here. When you have canceled the subscription, then you can find the remove button here. Simply click on remove and it will easily remove your credit card or debit card. But if you don't want to cancel your subscription, you can, but you also don't want to add, add your credit card or debit card anymore, then you have to do is you have to simply click on change button. Here you can find only one button, that is change button. Simply click on change and you can find some mobile banking option depending on your region. So you have to choose the best one for you suited, which one actually best suit for you, like PayPal. Then you have to add that any other payment method accepting your credit card or debit card, then you are good to go. And if you want to totally remove it, then you have to cancel your subscription. Otherwise you can totally remove your credit card or debit card. That's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.